Good morning! So, are you ready for today? We will start as usual with the top balance. So, grab your book, grab your science book, and let's open the balancing 7. Because last time, yeah, you already did balancing 6, and now you do the balancing 7. Okay, if you already prepared your book and then your book is already in front of you, don't forget to grab your pencil and your balance beam and also the paper clip.
clips. Yay.
Yeah. So, what is it today, Miss Emma?
Today we learn about balancing puzzles.
Yeah.
Yay.
The balancing puzzle is actually a little bit similar like yesterday activity.
Yes.
But this time, the book also already decided what will you do with the arms of the balancing beam.
Yep.
So, as you can see, okay, let's read number 1
Number 1.
instruction.
Instruction number 1.
Yeah. Add, add clips to the right arm to balance what is given on the left arm. Okay, so you already see, so take a look on the left arm, and then you will see there are four, on number 4 there are 3 axes, and then on number 3 there is 1 X. And then for the other box, it is gray, so it means you will not use it. And then take a look on the right arms, here.
That one?
Yeah, all the tabs, all the number is white.
Yep.
On the white box here, right, Miss?
So we can use those numbers.
Yeah, and then before you do this activity, make sure you read the instruction on the top of the box here.
On the number.
Yeah,
Instruction
because
number 2.
because each number has different instruction.
Oh, yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, let's. Are you ready, guys, for trying this activity together?
Yay!
You're ready?
Get ready.
Okay. Now let's add the clip first.
Yep.
So 3 paper clips on number 4.
3 paper clips on number 4.
On the left arm. It means for Miss Emma.
Yeah.
Number 4.
For this one.
One, two, three.
Okay.
Okay, and then on the 3 is 1 paper clips.
Yeah.
Okay. What? Okay. Okay, now what is the equation on the left arm here? So you see 3 paper clips on number 4. It means 4 times 3 equals 12. You're right. And then you still have 1 paper clip on number 3. So 3 times 1 equals 3. And then so add them together. 3 plus 12 equals 15. So you have to make the right arms with with 15 equation.
Yeah, with 15 equation.
But you only allowed to put 1 paper clip on each number.
Yeah.
On each number. So if you put 3 on number 5, you cannot. Yeah. So you only allowed to put 1 paper clip on
each number.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try together.
Let's try together.
If we have 15 here, what can we do with the another arm, but the equation is still the same?
Okay. Let's see. Miss Emma will put it at number 3.
Okay.
I'll put it number 1.
I will put it on number 5.
5.
Because 3 is you are not allowed to add more clips, and then let's move to 5. Okay, and then Miss Emma, where we it's not balanced yet, as you can see. Yeah.
What if I put on number 3? 2.
Yeah.
2. I mean.
2, and then I will put it on number I think number 1, maybe it already balanced. Or number 4. Let's try number 4. Is it balanced? Balanced? Not yet.
Not yet.
See, it's like a little bit slanted here, than here. So we need one more on number 1. We have space here on number 1.
Oh yeah.
So let's see. Now it makes sense. Now it's balanced.
Yay.
Yay! So because the book said no more than one clip on one number, and then we put one by one on each number, and for the last one it didn't balance yet, and then we put one more clip on number 1, and then now it's balanced.
But let's see the equation. Is it the
Yeah.
same, Miss Aurora?
Let's see.
Count,
Yeah. So first 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1.
One.
And then 1 times 2 equals 2. And then 1 times 3 equals 3.
3.
And then 1 times 4 equals 4. And then the other one, 1 times 5, of course, equals 5.
Five.
So let's sum up together.
Yeah.
1 plus 2 equals 3. And then 3 plus 3 equals 6. And then 6 plus 4 equals 10.
10.
And then
10 plus 5
equals 15.
So the equation is the same.
Yeah, so you have 15 on the left arm and then 15 on the right arm. Okay, after that, please write the equation on the empty box here, the big box,
Yep.
and also here.
Mm-hmm.
And then, oh yeah, and then don't forget to write the X
Yep.
on the number box.
We will give you 10 seconds.
10 seconds to write down
Sure,
the
right?
yeah, 10 seconds or 20 seconds, guys. And maybe in the middle 15 seconds.
15 seconds, okay.
4 times 3, so 3 times 4 equals 12 plus 3 is 15. And here we have
5 seconds more.
not yet, miss. Wait, not yet. I miss you guys.
Me too. 15. Okay, 15 seconds already.
Make
so Miss
sure-
Laura already write it there.
Make sure you write like this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next is we have let's remove the paperclip first.
Yeah.
You
All-
too. Yours too, yeah.
And we will do the next challenge.
Yeah. Hup. The next challenge.
Yes.
Where is the X, guys? The X is number
Number
4.
4.
And how many X?
Two.
2. And then the other paper clips is on number 1.
One.
And how many paper clips, Miss Emma?
Only one paper clip.
Only
So Miss Emma will put in number 4 to number 1. Okay.
So, in this question, you can add the clips to only one number.
Only one number.
So, you are not allowed to use all the number, but please choose one number that will give you the same equation as the other arms. So, let's count the equation first for this left arm. So 4 times 2 equals 8. And then 1 times 1 equals
1.
1. So you have 8 plus 1 equals 9. So where you will put the clips to only one tap
1 tap.
or one number. One number.
Only one number.
Yeah, so please choose one number that you can put any amounts of clips, yeah.
But only in one number.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let them do it first, Miss
Mhm.
Laura. We will wait until like 10 seconds.
Yes, 10
10
seconds.
seconds. Okay. Then we will discuss the answer together, okay?
Okay, let's
10
count.
seconds. Okay. 10.
5, 4. Finish.
Finish.
Okay. We have 9 on the left arm, and then we only can put one number. We can only put the paper
one
clips on
number.
one number. So it will be
In number
what kind of multiplication that equals 9?
9.
2 times
So
4.
easy. 2 times 4
is
no,
8.
almost 9.
1 times 9.
9 clips.
Yeah. Or
Can
okay.
be.
Yeah.
Can be.
Yeah, can be,
Let's
right?
try,
Let's try. Ooh, 9 paper clips.
9 paper clips. Let's see. 1 times 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's not balanced yet. 7, 8, 9. Yay! 9 times
Times 1.
Oh, sorry, yeah. 1 times
Times
9
9.
equals 9. Okay.
Yeah.
And can you find another number that equals 9?
I
What is it, miss?
I think it's on number 3. Right?
Yeah, the possibility is only number 3 because the other one cannot be.
Can be.
Yeah, because 3 times 3 equals 9.
9. Let's see.
Let's try it together.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Let's pocket. Yeah, it's right, Miss Emma.
Yay!
So because the equations are the same, even though before we used 9 paper clips on the other arms, and then now we have 3 paper clips, it's still balanced.
balance. So there are 2 possibilities.
Yeah.
Right? On number 1 and number 3.
And you can choose only one. Oh, I mean you can choose. You know the answer is 2 numbers, but you can choose for your book. You can add on number 3 or either number 1.
Yeah.
Okay, for Miss Rora and Miss Emma's case, because we found out it's number 1 first, so we write it. We write the X's on number 1.
Okay, Miss Emma, we'll give you 10 seconds to write down your answer on your science book.
And don't forget to write the equation too.
Yep.
Okay.
10 seconds, okay?
Miss Rora's done. How about you?
Almost 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Good job, grade 4.
Remove the paper clips
Yeah.
first.
I will remove this one.
Are you ready for the next number, guys?
Yeah!
Okay, for the next number, the next question, I mean, the book has decided that you are allowed to add 2 clips to 2 different numbers. As you can see on the, you can read by yourself here. Where is it? Yeah, there.
Yep.
There.
How many is it?
You only can add 2 clips on 2 different tabs or number, and you are not allowed to use number 3
Yeah.
because the
it's
3 is
already
gray.
Gray, blocked with gray color.
Yeah. So where can you? Okay. Now take a look on the left arm. We have two paper clips on number 4.
Okay,
Miss.
let's put your 2 paper clips on number 4 together with Miss Emma. Okay.
2
and then how
and then
many?
1 paper clip on number
Number
3.
3, I will put 1 paper clip on number 3, and so
Yeah.
so hard.
The looks is
Okay.
And then 3 paper clips on number 1.
3 paper clips on number 1. Oh, see?
Let's heck a lot here.
Yeah.
3 paper clips
On
on number
number
1. Okay. Let's count. Oh, not yet, sorry.
Okay.
Let's count. Okay. This is 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1 times 3 equals 3, so it's 6.
6.
And then 2 times 4 equals 8. So you
6.
add them together.
6.
So 3 plus 3 equals 6, and then 6 plus
8.
8 equals 14.
14.
Am I right? Yeah, 14. So find 14 on the right arms, but use only 2 clips on number 1, 2, 4, and 5.
Okay, only on 1, 2, 4, and 5. Okay, let them find out the
Yeah.
possibility. So we will give you how many seconds, Miss Mora?
Maybe because it's quite new, so
Yeah.
let's make them like 17
20?
seconds.
70 seconds, like a minute.
Yeah, 17 seconds.
17 or
17
17? Okay,
seconds.
17
Yeah.
seconds. Okay, like almost 20 seconds, okay?
Yeah, 17 seconds.
You can try first.
Yeah, 2 paper clips only. So you can put 2 paper clips on number 5 and 2 paper clips on number wherever it is, but don't use number 3. So how many seconds here? Well, you can do it, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, it's quite easy because the balance is only with the equation, mathematical equation. If you love math, it's 100% that you will love it too because it's only math.
Yeah. Basically almost the same with math. Right?
Yeah, and this
Zora?
is easy math equation actually. Okay, guys, are you done? If you're done, let's take a look if your answer will be same like my answer. Our answer, I mean. So 2 paper clips on 1 number. Miss Emma will do on which number? What do you think?
2 paper clips on each number. Okay, in number. I will put number 2.
Okay, so 2 ya, Miss. 2 paper clips. Okay. We can count first before we decide the other number. Yeah. So 2 times 2 equals 4.
4.
But it's not balanced yet
Yeah.
because we have 14 on the other side.
14.
So because we already have 4, I just want to add 10 to make it 14, right? Because
Yep.
10 plus 4 equals 14.
Yep.
So what kind of equation that become 10?
more.
Yeah,
10 more.
I know.
You know?
With 2 paper clips, there is
Only
on
2 paper clips.
yeah, there's only now on number 5 because
Yes.
5 times 2 will be 10.
10.
So let's see. Let's prove it together. Yeah, 1 and 2. Spoken.
Yay.
Yeah. Look at this. It's balanced. Even though I wiggle it, wiggle. Okay. So what about yours? What number can you make 14? Is it same like ours? So write your equation now on the book, and then we will give you like 10 seconds.
10 seconds to write your answer.
Yeah. Okay. Sarah's done. How about you? How many seconds? Done. Okay. So let's do the last question
Last
on
question.
this balancing book. Okay. You have, as you can see on this book, the last question, the last activity is you need to add you need to add the paper clips in to number 5 only, but not the other numbers because it's blocked with gray. And then for the left arm, you need to put how many clips?
How many clips? 3.
Oh, each number must have the same numbers of clips.
Each number must have the same number of clips.
Yeah, so the each number must have same same amount of paper
clips. Yes.
Yeah, but you cannot use number 5.
Except for number 5. You
Yeah,
cannot
except
use
for
number
number
5.
yeah, because it's blocked, so you
Okay.
cannot use it. So let's see. 4 paper clips on number 5, Miss.
4
on the left
paper
arm.
clips on number 5.
Mhm.
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
and
4. Okay.
yeah, it's 4 paper clips. So 4 times 5 equals 15.
4 times 5, 15 or 20?
Oh yeah, 20.
20, okay?
4 times 5 equals 20. So
20.
let's add the clips on the
The right
arm.
arm,
But yeah, so each number must have the same
same.
amount of paper clips. So if you want to make it all one, just
Or-
only one.
yeah.
Or if you only use two
Two,
paper clips, you can
20.
try. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Let them do it.
Let them do it. I'll give you 20 seconds to find the possibility that you can find. Okay?
Yeah. So it's 20 though. It's quite a lot.
Let's find out.
I think I know the answer.
Zora.
And I think the kids will know the answer too. And I think the number will be the same like ours.
The number will be the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Each number must have the same amount of paper clips.
Mhm.
You are not allowed to put 1 paper clip here and then 3 here and then 2, 4. No, you're not allowed. So only same amount. 1, 1, 1, 1 or 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 or 3, 3, 3. I don't know, but you can do it. Okay. Just count.
I know the answer.
We know the answer. And also you.
Okay, you still have like 5 seconds, okay?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How many paper clips do you have on your balance beam? Balance beam. Balance
Balance
beam.
beam.
I guess you got 2 paper clips on your.
2 paper clips.
Yeah, 2 paper clips on each number on your balancing beam.
Mm,
Am I right?
yeah. Let's see.
Or
Zora.
maybe we are wrong
Yeah.
guessing them. Let's see. We are not allowed to use 5, yeah. So 1 and then okay, I put 1 here. That's we decided to put 2 on
Yeah.
each, yeah.
2 on each.
Here. And the last one. I don't know. Maybe it could be 3. 3 paper clips on each.
3, let's see. Oh,
Yay!
balance.
If
See?
yeah, see if you did 2, good job guys. You're awesome.
Yeah, you're awesome.
Because
So
we
let's see
have
the equation.
20, yeah, we have 20
20.
here and I don't is it 20? Write it in write it in your book
Look.
and then let's see if it's 20. Write it.
Write it. So Miss Rora will write and Miss Emma will count. You will have 15 seconds, okay? To write.
Don't forget to write the x's too.
Yes.
So you will not confuse how many the equation will be. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2.
1.
Okay.
Miss Rora.
If
will
you're
do that.
if you're not done, it's okay. I will show you our answer.
Mhm.
So 5 times 4 equals 20, and you write
Yeah.
down 5 times 4 equals 20, and then for the other arm, I mean 1 times 2 equals 2, so write down 2, and then 2 times 2 equals 4, write plus 4 after 2, and then 3 times 2 equals
6.
6. 2 plus 4 plus 6. and then 4 plus 4 times 2 equals 8. So you have 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals 20.
20. Okay.
Yoo-hoo!
Great job. Grade 4.
Yes.
Fourth grade.
Okay, and for we will explain you about the worksheet
The
that,
worksheet
yeah,
that
that
we
we
have.
that we sent on your through WhatsApp,
To your mom and
yeah,
dad.
to your
Mom or
WhatsApp
daddy,
number.
yeah.
So actually that's the same with this activity, but there you will see Miss Rora and Miss Emma already put the X's there,
Yeah.
and then you need to, and what is it, to write the equation on the white box, on the white big spot.
Yeah. Wait.
Yeah, and then after that, if you're done with your equation with both arm, please give a check if with that equation will it be balanced
Balance
or
or
not.
not.
So if for example, what kind, maybe the example is the left arm you have 15,
15.
and then on the
Right
right arms you have 20.
20.
Will it be balanced? No,
No.
because on the other side is greater than the other side of
Mhm.
arm, so it's not balanced. So you can put
Put
a
a
check
tick,
on
yeah.
put a tick on the, what's it, on
On
the
the
not
column,
balanced box.
Yeah.
So that's how to do the balance worksheet on your worksheet, on the other worksheet.
Okay.
And then let's move to the game,
So
the
this-
balancing
yeah, mini games.
Mini game or
Balancing
challenge, yeah.
games. You can
Balance
tidy
challenge.
up your stuff, and now Miss Emma and Miss Laura want you to take.
A tray.
Yeah, if you have tray like this, or maybe you can use your book, your
Use,
science
yeah.
book, and then use
Or
your
maybe
science
your
book.
notebook. It's
Yeah.
okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's maybe you have seen this game before.
Mm-hmm.
So it's easy. You put everything, I mean the tray or the book, on your head,
Top of your head.
top of your head, and make it balanced first.
Yep.
And then you are sitting down, right? I know you are
I will
sitting
use
down.
your book, right, Miss Laura?
Yeah. I know you are now sitting down,
Uh-huh.
and then try.
What should we do? Should we take a squat position?
Yeah, try slowly to stand up without making your things on the top of your head falling.
Okay.
Okay, let's.
Okay, it's so hard.
Okay,
Okay, wait. Are
Yeah.
you ready?
are you ready, guys?
I'll give you like 10 seconds to get ready with your book or tray or anything on the top of your head.
Yeah.
Okay, 10 seconds ya. 1 and 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1.
Oh,
Okay, put it on your head.
do it.
Make it balanced, and let's do it slowly. Okay, we must squatting.
Squatting. Okay, I squat.
We are squatting, so you can.
Already.
And you guys, you can try to stand up.
So like
Standing
slippery
up,
right
yeah.
here.
Oopsie. Oh, that's wiggle so much.
We need to stand up.
Stand up.
Okay.
And
And
then-
then
What again?
squat again. So little exercise
Yeah.
for your body today. Wait.
Oh my.
Oh my leg.
Okay. Okay. One more time. Stand.
One
Okay.
One time fall down and Miss Emma
Oh,
one time fall down.
no.
What about you?
Okay.
Is your book already falling down?
Okay.
One more time. Okay, Miss
One more
Aurora?
time. One. We do it together, yeah, guys. 1, 2, 3.
Stand up. Ooh, balance. Balance.
You can. Sorry, you cannot see our movement, you guys.
Oh, yay!
Okay, you can try to challenge the member of your family with
Yeah.
this activity. Maybe your brother, your sister, your mama, your
Mom,
daddy is
dad.
okay.
Yep.
And after this, clean up your balancing
Stuff.
beam
Yep. Your
stuff.
book.
Yeah. And then let's move on to the math book.
To the math book. So get ready with your math book, okay? Yeah, Miss Aurora?
Yeah. Okay, this is the math book. Before we do the math book, I want you to know about the. Oh yeah, yeah. I find it. Yeah. So usually you do the division with this kind of number, right? For example, you have two digits on in the house. So you have, for example, 69 divided by 3. Two digits of number divided by one digit of number. How about if we have like 3 digits numbers divided by one digit number? For example, like this. So there is 69. So I will write 693 divided by 3. Okay. So you have, I know that you're doing this kind of problem now, and then you already passed this number, but we will remind you, like every day we will remind you about the division problem. So this case quite easy. So you need to put the imaginary line between 6 and 9. And then divide it one by one. Start from the first number. The first number from 69 is 6, right? So 6 divided by 3, or how many 3 then that can reach 6 equals 2. So 2 times 3, you put 2 here because 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And then don't forget to multiply again. 2 times 3 equals 6. Put the 6 under the 6 and then subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. And then put the 9s down. And then 9, now you do it 9, yeah? 9 divided by 3 equals, how many 3 that can reach 9? 3 times 3, you're right. So you write 3 here on the top of the house. And then 3 times 3 equals 9. Put 9 under the 9 and then subtract. Very good. So the answer is 23. And how about with this number? It's actually the same, but you need to put the imaginary line on each, every, what is it? On the next number, I mean, after 6 you put the imaginary line. And then after 9 you put the imaginary line again. Why here we don't have any imaginary line? Because there is no number left. You only have 6 and 9. But here, because after 6 you have 9, and then after 9 you still have 3, just put the imaginary line. Okay, so 6, so this is the same. 6 and 9 is actually the same. You can put 2 times 3 equals 6, subtract 0, and then 9 goes down. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Put the 3 here, and 3 times 3 equals 9. Subtract again. You have 0. Like before, you're done, but not this time, because you still have one number left on the top here that you should bring it down. So 3 is down. And then now you divide 3 by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So you put 1 here and then multiply the last number. 1 plus 3 equals 3. Subtract. You have 0. Do you have another number to bring down? No. So it's finished. Your answer from the problem 693 divided by 3 equals 231. That's your answer. This is without reminder. Okay, where is the eraser, Yanis?
Oh, right there.
Oh, there. Okay. Now I will show you with the number. Okay, I will still keep it, yeah, so you guys we can remind it of. So you can see this is 6 and this is 6 is greater than 3. So it's quite easy. How about the number here is not greater, but it's smaller than the number that you need to divide it. For example,
yeah.
like this. You have here 891. That, can you see it, guys? Yeah. 891. That, and you need to divide it by 9. See? Can you put the same kind of imaginary line like what I explained just before? If you put the imaginary line here between 8 and 9, can you divide 8 with 9? Can you divide it 8 by 9? No, you can, because 9 plus 9 times 1 equals 9. You not reach 8 yet, right? So what you should do, just forget about the imaginary line. If you see the first number in the house is smaller than the number that outside the house, is you can move the line to here. Do you know what I mean? So before you have two imaginary lines, 1 and 2 here, but this time you have one imaginary line only. Why? Because 8 is smaller than 9. So you move to the second number and then put the line there. Oh, it means you need to divide 89 by 9. How many nines that can reach 89? 8 times 5 equals 40. So you can go more upper. 8 times 8 equals 64. You can reach more higher. 9 times 10 equals 90. Hit one more, but you are not allowed to use 10 right here. And so let's move down one time. So 9 times 8. 9 times 9. 9 times 9, yeah. 9 times 9 equals 81. So it's close to the number here. If you and maybe you will ask me, Miss, can we use 9 times 8? Yeah, actually, for the division, you have to put the number that really close to the number that given here. For example, if you do 8 times 9, it's only the equation is only 72, and it will make another product that you should divide it. So what you need to do is make it really close to this number. So 89, and the closest number is 81. So how many nines that can reach 81? It's 9 times. So write 9 here. 9 times 9 equals 81. Minus it, and then you will have 9 minus 1 equals 8, and then here you have 8 minus 8 equals 0. And then here, can you divide 8 with 9? You cannot do. And then also you still have one number left on the last number. So, and if you cannot do this, just put the next numbers down. It's 81. Now, can you divide 81 by 9? Yes, you can, because before 9 times 9 equals 81. So the same answer, yes? So 81 divided by 9 equals 9. Write it after the next 9, and then multiply again. 9 times 9 equals 81 again. Minus it. So 1 minus 1 equals 0, and then 8 minus 8 equals 0. Do you have another number to bring down? No, you haven't. So you have 0 here, so you don't have any reminders. It means you're done. The answer from 891 divided by 9 equals 99. That's how to do the division. The trick and tips. Yeah. Okay, let's do one more time. So we are sure about what we are doing.
Yay!
Okay, now let's do 3 digits number divided by one number but with reminders. Okay, let's do, for example, 4 to 6 divided by 5.
5.
So, I give you this case the example of the first number is bigger than the number that outside the house. So if you confuse the house that I called his here, I using the word house because it's like a house, and the number inside the house is 426, and the number that outside the house is 5. Okay guys, and then the first number in the house is 4, which is smaller than 5. If it's smaller, what will you do? Just give it to another number, 2. So 42 now is bigger than 5 or greater than 5. It means you put the imaginary line there. So 42, we have 40 now. 42 divided by 5. 42 divided by 5. So how many 5 that can reach 42? Really close to 42 but not greater than 42. True. 5 times 7 equals 35. And then how about 5 times 8? 40. How about 5 times 9? 45. So between that number, you are allowed to use only 5 times 8 because this is the closest but not greater. So 42 divided by 5, or how many 5 that can reach 42? The closest is 8. Write 8 there on the top of the house. And then 8 times 5. Don't forget to multiply it. Can you see the 8? Yeah, you can see 8 times 5 equals 40. And then minus it, subtract. 2 minus 0 equals 2. And then 4 minus 4 equals 0. So, can you divide 2 by 5? No, because 2 is smaller than 5. What happens if it's smaller? Just bring the last number down. If the last number that you have brings down 26, you have 26. 26 is greater than 5. Now you can divide it. So, how many 5 can reach 26? The closest one. 5 times 3 equals 5 times 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. But before you write down the 4, just remember what is 5 times 5 times 5. Because 5 times 5 equals 25. It's closer than the 4 times 5. So how about 5 times 6? 5 times 6 equals 30. It's too many then. Yeah, it's greater than 26. So you can only use the equation 5 times 5, right? So how many 5 that can reach 26? The closest one is 5 times. So 5 times 5 equals 25. And then don't forget to subtract. So, and then 6 minus 5 equals 1. And then 2 times 2, 2 minus 2 equals 0. You still have one number here left. But can you divide it by 5? No, you can't, because 5 is really greater than 5, yeah? Because 1 is really smaller than 5. So you're not allowed. Actually, if you're not allowed, you have to put the other numbers down. But you have no number left. It means this is the reminders of the division. So because you have 1 here left, write the R symbol here and put the 1 there. So the answer from 426 divided by 5 equals 85 has reminders 1, have leftover 1. That's the tips, yeah? The tips is look at on the first number in the house first. If the first number is smaller and you cannot divide it, just scoot to the next number and then put the imaginary line there. Okay? I think that is for today. So you can do your math book easily because you already know about the tricks, yeah. And then for the worksheet that we have given to you guys, it's about the odd and even game number. So they said you have to circle odd number with red and then the even number with blue, or I forgot, but you make sure that you have the right numbers to the right right colors to the right numbers. Yeah, I mean for the odd colored number, so just circle it with the right color. Okay guys? Okay, I think is it for today.
Yep.
And
And for the language arts,
Yeah.
Miss Emma already prepared a short passage for you to read, and then after you finish reading it, still related with the idiom, so you need to find one idiom hiding on that passage. After you finish reading it, you can play with the after reading spinner. Okay, you can print it out, or you can just, if you have tab, you can just play on your tab, or you can print it down, or you can draw again in your blank paper. And then after that, you can use your pencil and also your
paper clip.
paper clips as the spinner. And then you will put on the middle of the paper and then use spin the paper clips.
Yeah.
And then, for example, if it stop on certain questions, so you need to answer those questions where the spin stop. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Thank you for reader for today.
And
So,
let's meet again on Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because on Monday you will have Skillshare video to do. Okay?
Okay. Thank you for reader.
Thank you.
See you Tuesday.
See you Tuesday.
Have a great weekend.
You do awesome.